What's good, beauties? Welcome back to my channel. And man, can we talk about this fro I'm rocking right now? Like, as big as it is going through it, honey. I mean, look at it. It's dry, it's breaking, it's nappy as hell, flaking, frizzy. I mean, I could roast my hair forever. But if you guys want to see how I got my hair to go from this nappy fro to moisturized juicy curls, just keep on watching. Alright, beauties, to get this twist out on and poppin', I'm gonna just take my hair out of my t-shirt because my hair is freshly washed. So as you guys can see, I have no product in my hair right now. Everything is pretty much clean, smelling good. And to wash my hair, I use the Trader Joe's Tea Tree Tingle shampoo along with the Trader Joe's Tea Tree Tingle conditioner. And for my deep condition, I use the Macadamia Natural Oil Deep Repair Mask. And you guys have seen me use this on my channel before. I actually have a video dedicated to this one deep conditioner because it's so bomb. So if you guys haven't seen that, I'm gonna link it in the description box down below. So the first thing I'm gonna do to get started with this twist out, I'm just gonna section my hair in 4 with my rat tail comb. Well, it's kind of already sectioned in 4 just because I part my hair in 4 so damn much. But I'm gonna try to make it a little bit more even. And as you can see, my hair is looking a little bit dry just because I had my hair in my t-shirt for a while after I washed it. So I'm just gonna spray my hair with some water just to get it moisturized again, because you don't want to start applying your products to no dry hair. Okay, girl, you gotta make sure you get it wet. So the products that we're gonna be using today are by Eden Body Works. And I have the Coconut Shea Leave-In Conditioner, and we also have the Natural Curl Defining Cream. You just want to start from the ends and work your way up. Alright, so once you put the leave-in conditioner in this back section, you're just going to repeat the same thing on the rest of the sections of your hair, and then when you're done, we're going to get this twist out started. So I just finished applying all the leave-in conditioner to my hair. So we're gonna get started with our twist. I'm gonna zoom in just so you guys could see what I'm doing. Hopefully this stays focused. Alright, so I'm gonna start off by parting a smaller section to this big section. It doesn't have to be even, but I do want all my twists to be around the same size. So I'm gonna pin this part of my hair up, and then I'm going to add some of the curl defining cream. This is how much I got left. As y'all can see, it's almost done, and I'm going to saturate that section with the curl defining cream, and then I'm going to add some of Uncle Funky's Daughter Curly Magic Curl Stimulator just so I can have more of a hold. I like to add a gel to my twist out if I know that it's gonna be extremely humid outside or I'm gonna work out, and I plan on working out tomorrow. So I brought my Denman brush because I want y'all to know how important it is to have each section of hair that you twist thoroughly detangled. That is what makes or breaks your twist out. So I'm just going to run it through my hair. Alright, so once you're done adding your gel, you want to separate that small section into 2 smaller sections, and you just want to wrap your hair around each other while detangling your hair. So twirl it, twirl it, twirl it, all the way down till you get to the end. I like to detangle it as I'm going down. See, sometimes it could still get knotty, and then if you want, you can add a little bit more of that curl cream, rub it in your fingers, and then continue to twist all the way down until the end of your hair. And whatever's left over, you could just twirl it around your fingers like so, and then that's your first twist. See that? How cute is that? And I'm just gonna repeat the same thing on the rest of that section so you guys can kind of see and get the hang of what I'm doing. Okay? Why am I so out of breath? I'm so out of shape. I'm gonna zoom out a little bit. It might be easier for you guys to see what I'm doing. And you wanna make sure when you're twisting, you're like legit pulling the twist tight because it's gonna get loose when you let it go. So you just wanna make sure as you're twisting it that you're doing it tightly. Alright, so I just wanted to show you guys real quickly that I gave myself like a deep side part. That's just because I don't really like the center part look too much. I prefer like the side part. I get more volume on this side, and I don't know, it just looks better. Alright you guys, so I'm finally finished with my twist. And this is what my hair is looking like. Juicy, moisturized, shiny, healthy looking twist. And all I'm gonna do now is, you know, let it air dry for a bit and put my head tie on it, go to sleep, and I'll see you guys in the morning. Alright beauties, so it's the next day. Actually, it's not the next day because yesterday I went to the gym. So it was 2 days later and I got my hair up in my head tie. Like I told you guys, this is how I sleep. So I'm just gonna take it down and show you guys what my twists are looking like. And it's not bad for someone that worked out yesterday. I was expecting my roots to be a lot puffier, but everything is looking good. Alright, so I'm just gonna start by putting some Melanin Pure All Blend in my hands and rubbing it together. And I'm gonna start unraveling the twist from the back. So starting with this little baby right here, you just wanna start untwisting in the direction that you did the twist. That's like the easiest way to separate your twist. And look at that, comes apart so easy. See that? See that? That's exactly what you wanna see. Nice, bouncy, uniform curls. Alright guys, so all my twists are down, so all I'm gonna do now is pick at my roots just to get, you know, a little bit more volume. All my curls look intact, all of them look uniform, but you know a twist out is nothing without some volume, okay girl? So I got my handy dandy pick right here and I'm gonna get to picking. Alright you guys, so these are my final results. As you can see, that pick took this hairstyle from a 0 to 100 real quick, honey, real quick. But aside from that, it does look like my roots were a little bit puffy because I did go to the gym yesterday. But I'm actually not mad at it because it actually added to the volume. I don't know if you guys can see that. Like all right here is very poofy, but then when I picked it out, it just made my hair look 10 times bigger. Could you imagine like day 3 or day 4 hair? Like that crop is gonna be huge. I decided not to gel down my baby hair only because I'm like into rocking the natural look. Like sometimes I feel like I need to give my baby hair a break, like my edges. I feel like it's been thinning lately and I don't want to add too much gel on it. So every now and then I'll switch it up. And if it's really extremely poofy, all you gotta do is put that sucker behind your ear, bring the rest of your hair forward, and boom. Look at that. A little simple hack, you know. So I hope you guys love the results. I am super satisfied with it. I am not gonna lie. It turned out 10 times better than I expected. If you guys wanna see how I maintain this twist out throughout the week, definitely let me know in the comment section down below. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to smash that like button so I know that you guys enjoyed this video. And if you are not a part of the Bellamecia Gang, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below so you can be a part of our little family we got going on here. As always, beauties, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye! You over there looking like a cute lemon glazed donut. You cute or whatever, but come down, get up off it a little bit.